Today we will create together some chickpea falafels, crispy fried and flavorful. A classic Middle Eastern mix of herbs, spices, and legumes. Perfect for vegans and beloved in pita or with sauces. Ingredients: 250 grams of dry chickpeas soaked in water for at least 12 hours. 1 medium onion finely chopped. 2 cloves of garlic chopped. A bunch of fresh parsley chopped. A bunch of fresh cilantro chopped, optional. A teaspoon of cumin powder. A teaspoon of coriander powder. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. Salt and pepper. Oil for frying. After soaking the chickpeas, drain and dry them. Use a food processor to combine the chickpeas with the other ingredients and blend until you achieve a uniform mixture with still a bit of texture. Put the mixture in the refrigerator for at least an hour to firm up and blend the flavors. Form small balls or patties from the mixture and slightly flatten them. Heat the oil in a pan and fry the falafels until golden brown and crispy. Remember to drain them on paper towels once fried. Subscribe to our channel to explore more wonderful recipes, and don't forget to visit our website for tips and tricks. Serve the falafels in a pita with vegetables and tahini sauce, or enjoy them with various dips such as hummus or tzatziki. Bon appetit! If you prefer a lighter version, bake the falafels in the oven, sprayed with a bit of oil at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20-25 minutes. Falafels, crispy on the outside, soft and spiced on the inside, a dish loved throughout the Middle East and beyond.